It is muffler day for the Kawasaki Z650. Did an air filter yesterday. Put a K&N in. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, because there is no we, except unless you're talking about me and my bike. And then that's the two of us. I've already gotten a couple of things apart over here. I have to put a new foot bracket on because I broke that one. So I got a new one. And I got a new brake lever because I bent that one. So whatever, shut up. I don't want to hear it. But this is the original muffler. Big old freaking thing. I don't know, probably weighs a whole bunch. We'll take it off and, you know, I'll pick it up and tell you if it weighs about as much as a gallon of milk or a baby, whatever. But I want to start it and see where we're at right now with the original muffler. And that's that. So there is that. Thing actually weighs quite a bit. I'll have to get it from the other side. The thing's a freaking tank, that thing. There's the new exhaust hole. Well, cut off from where it belongs. This is well more than a gallon of milk, this thing. It's kind of heavy. So naturally, since I am that guy, what's it sound like without any freaking exhaust at all? Oh, sorry about that. Oh wait, sorry, to put it in gear. Wait, that's it. Alright, bear with me. And we're back. Alright, we're out of gear. There's enough of that. And we're done. That tucked up in there. Little muffler. The welds are not that great, but it's gonna hold. That's all that matters. And this is what really matters. Well,